Hello everyone. We are dairy farmers in the Chilterns, and these are our dairy cows. One of the most important things for a dairy farmer is producing enough food for his cows. We conserve crops that we grow in the summer to feed them over winter and buffer feed them in the summer. So the biggest part of the diet is grass silage, which at the end of April, beginning of May, we're going to make. And now we're going to show you how. Good morning. This is the start of the silage making process. Here we are mowing the grass to start it to wilting, with the idea of picking it up with a forager in 24 to 36 hours time. So this is a contractor doing some mowing in another field as part of our silage operation. So this is actually our second cut this year, the first cut being beginning of April for this field. So hopefully we'll be cutting this grass about once a month. This operation is to pick up several rows of grass that have been mowed and put them into one big row so the forager can then pick it up. So this is the forage harvester picking up the row of grass that's been rowed up and mown yesterday. This machine is going at quite a pace and is cutting the grass into lengths of about 2 inches long, and it's also applying an additive to the grass to help preserve the silage. Now we're collecting the grass from the field. Now we're tipping it in this clamp, and the man behind it pushes it around the clamp and then consolidates it with his heavy tractor. There could be 18 tons of grass there in this trailer. So we've very nearly finished the getting in the silage now. We've just got this. It's always a bit chaotic with all the machines in the yard. We've just now got this mammoth task of sheeting the silage down, but we have to create an airtight finish on it. And at this stage, temperature about 25 degrees, it looks like a mammoth task. So silage making is nearly complete. The last few loads are being pushed up. We've now got the job of ensiling the grass in polythene and making it airtight so it doesn't go off and it ferments inside. This is the end of the process. We've secured our clamp, we've covered it up with a oxygen-proof polythene, a black sheet to stop sunlight getting to it and degrading it, this green sheet to protect it from birds like crows and jackdaws, and then we've put these heavy gravel bags all over it to keep the sheet firmly in touch with the silage, keeping the oxygen out of it hopefully. And if we've done a good job, it will be this silage will be preserved for a number of years, although the reality is we'll start feeding it in the next few months. So thank you for watching.